Hello everyone and welcome to the panel of a Mustang Wireless Private Limited. This is a IVR panel of a Mustang. In this platform, in this panel, you can get all the report of your business, your organization, about your clients and about your employees. How it works, I'll show you. Firstly, I would like to let you know that when you log into this IVR panel with your username and password, this type of page will appear. And this is a dashboard of a panel. Here you can see the first option is total calls. This is a sum of a received call, missed calls and a unique calls. It will show you the total calls which comes to your toll free number. Next box is showing received calls. When you click on this, you can see all received calls. You can also see the time of a particular call and the location and who received the particular call. Like you can see here, this call was received on dated 12 from Kolkata and this call was received by this employee and the call duration was 189 seconds. You can also download the recording and can listen anytime by this recording feature. Now back to the dashboard. Next is a missed calls. By clicking on this, you can get all calls who were missed by you because of timing, because of short call, any reason could be. But after having this panel, you will not miss any call because it has a feature to save each and every call and can maintain data by itself. Now again to the dashboard. Next option is a unique calls. It contains all information of unique calls in the same manner. Here you can see the next option which is showing the total number of employees who are receiving the calls. Like you can see here, the number of employees is 11. Now by clicking on report by employee, you can get report. You just have to select the name of an employee. Like I am selecting here. I'm selecting here this employee's name. Now I want to report from 1st August to 12 and then I'm clicking on view report. Here are all calls which have been received by the employee. You can also see the number, date and timing and the status of call. Like you can see here, that call was not picked, that was picked, that was not picked, like that. Now back to the dashboard. Now let's see the next 5 options. Actually, this is not just a panel. This is a CRM as well, where you can remark the particular call that client was interested or was not interested or need follow up. You can also convert your remark, like if for a first time client was not interested and you mark the particular call as not interested and the later you realize that it needs follow up, then you can change your remark from not interested to interested by this option. The next option is a location voice calls. Like I have told you earlier that you can also get the report by the location as well. If I move my cursor here on red portion, then you can see it is showing that 2.1% of the total calls came from West Bengal. And when I move my cursor here, you can see 24.9% of calls came from Uttar Pradesh East. You can also get the weekly call report by this. Like you can see here, blue pillar is showing total calls. Next is red pillar is showing received calls, and the yellow pillar is showing missed calls. So that is all. This panel is made for your convenience, where you can get all report on one page on one panel. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.